Hi, I'm Dr. Eben Strobos, a colorectal surgeon at St. Anthony Hospital. I chose colorectal surgery first because of my mentors in residency, and second because we handle a lot of difficult abdominal surgeries, including a lot of cancers and diverticulitis, and we're able to get them better through robotic surgery. CommonSpirit has focused a lot on their cancer care. We have a multidisciplinary clinic. We have a tumor board. We meet every 2 weeks to discuss patients and come back with recommendations. We also have a very nice facility and a lot of very excellent nurses. We try to really get to know our patients. We'll review CAT scans, colonoscopy reports, pathology reports, have long conversations with them in the office. We have an excellent team, including a navigator that walks them through everything so they don't fall through the cracks. I feel like I really form a bond with my patients. For example, there was one patient who was scared to look at me, seemed just beaten down by the world, was homeless, had a problem where he might end up with a permanent ostomy, and was scared to undergo surgery. And we built him up with IV nutrition, gained his trust, and were able to perform a robotic surgery and get him better. He now has a job, an apartment, and I've continued to take care of him through the years. I sponsored a soccer team called the Mighty Lambkins. I enjoy the good meals in Colorado and the concerts and the botanical gardens.